In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate EMI and present value in Microsoft Excel. We will use a few simple Excel formulas to calculate the monthly EMI for a loan, the total amount paid over the full loan period, the total interest paid, and the present value needed for a savings goal. These calculations are useful when you want to understand the real cost of a loan or when you want to plan how much money is needed today to reach a future financial target. To begin, click cell B5. This is where we will calculate the EMI, which stands for Equated Monthly Installment. The EMI is the fixed monthly payment that is usually made toward a loan. It includes both the principal repayment and the interest portion. In Excel, the PMT function is used for this calculation. With cell B5 selected, type the formula equals PMT, open parenthesis, B2 divided by 12, comma B3 multiplied by 12, comma negative B1, close parenthesis. Then press enter on your keyboard. The full formula is equals PMT, open parenthesis, B2/12, comma B3*12, comma negative B1, close parenthesis. Here B2 represents the annual interest rate, so dividing it by 12 converts it into a monthly interest rate. B3 represents the loan duration in years, so multiplying it by 12 converts the period into months. B1 represents the loan amount. The loan amount is entered as a negative value inside the formula, so that Excel returns the EMI as a positive payment amount. This makes the result easier to read and understand. Next, we will calculate the total amount paid over the full life of the loan. Click cell B6. This cell will show the overall amount paid after making all monthly EMI payments for the entire loan duration. In cell B6, type equals B5 multiplied by B3 multiplied by 12, and then press enter. The formula is equals B5*B3*12. This takes the monthly EMI from cell B5 and multiplies it by the total number of months in the loan. Since B3 is in years, multiplying it by 12 gives the total number of monthly payments. The result shows the total amount paid by the borrower from start to finish. Now we will isolate the total interest component. Click cell B7. This is where we will calculate how much of the total paid amount is interest, separate from the original loan amount. In cell B7, type equals B6 minus B1 and press enter. This formula subtracts the original loan principal from the total paid amount. The result gives the total interest paid over the full loan period. This is a useful number because it helps you see the additional cost of borrowing beyond the amount originally taken as a loan. After that, we will calculate the present value based on a target savings goal. Click cell E5. This calculation is different from the loan EMI calculation. Instead of finding a payment amount, we are finding the present value required to reach a future savings target. With cell E5 selected, type equals PV, open parenthesis, E2 divided by 12, comma E3 multiplied by 12, comma negative E1, close parenthesis. Then press enter. The full formula is equals PV, open parenthesis, E2/12, comma E3*12, comma negative E1, close parenthesis. In this formula, E2 is the annual interest or return rate, so we divide it by 12 to get the monthly rate. E3 is the number of years, so we multiply it by 12 to convert it into months. EMO1 is the target amount or recurring value used in the calculation, entered as a negative value, so Excel returns a positive present value result. That covers everything you need to know to calculate EMI, total paid amount, total interest, and present value in Microsoft Excel.